Hello students, I am Pooja Pandey. Today we are going to learn science and technology from class 8 Sky Vision. Sky Vision. Students, Sky Vision means Akash Darshan. Okay. Okay, now students, let's see the picture of Sky Vision. The picture of Sky Vision. When you see at the night, you see the many stars and most of the stars in the sky. Okay. Now students, today we will learn these two topics, what is there in the sky and the star world. These two topics today we will going to learn. So students, let's start. What is there in the sky? What is there in the sky? So students, the planet on which we live is called Earth. During daytime we see the sun in the sky. Come, let us see if there is anything else other than the sun and the sky. Okay, so students, what is there in the sky? You see the common things, the clouds, the sun, the moon and the stars. The moon and stars are in the sky during the day, but we can't usually see them because during the day the sun brightens the sky. The sun is actually a star and it is the closest star to the earth. Students, the point to be noted, the sun is the closest star to the earth. The sun is the closest star to earth. Closest star to the earth. Now students, let's study about star and the stars world. Now let's study about star and the star world. The star and the star world. Star and the star world. Okay. The stars are the most attractive of all the objects in the sky. These are such objects which emit light and energy continuously. Sun is the nearest star to earth. It is because of the sun's light that the other stars are not visible in the sky. Because of the sun's light, most of these stars are so far away from the earth, it takes lakhs of years for their light to reach earth. Distance of stars are indicated by light year. Students, distance of stars are indicated by a light year. Okay, so students, light year. What is the meaning of light year? Okay, now students, let's study about light year. What is the meaning of light year? आप light year से क्या समझते हैं और light year होता क्या है? Okay students, light year. Light year is equal to light year. What is the meaning of light year? A light year is a unit of distance. It is the distance that light can travel in 1 year. Light moves at a velocity of 3 lakh kilometers each second. So, light year is equal to 365 days in 1 year, multiply by 24 per day, 24 hour per day, multiply by 60 per second, multiply by 60 is 1 minute, 6 multiply by 3 lakh. The distance travel of light by each second, multiply by 3 lakh. And when this number we multiply these numbers, we got 9460000000000. There is 10 zeros. So we can write here in short form 9.46 10 to the power 12 kilometers. So students, light year is equal to 9.46 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 kilometers. Okay. Now students, let's study about sun. So students, sun is about 15 crore kilometers away from the earth. 15 crore kilometers. Sun is about 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore kilometers. 15 crore kilometers away from the earth. And it takes about 8.3 minutes from the sunlight to reach earth. So we can say that the sun is 8.3 light year away. Sun is about 8.3 light year, 8.3 minutes light year away. Okay. Now students, after sun, the nearest star to the earth is Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri is about 4.3 light year away. 4.3 light year away. And after Alpha Centauri, the brightest star Sirius is about 8.7 light year away. We can see countless stars in the sky. You see, there are countless stars in the sky. There are countless stars. We can't count them. Okay. In the sky, if look carefully, you could see a band of stars from north to south. It is the Milky Way. Okay. Now students, look at the picture of Milky Way. This is our Milky Way. It's look like this, a milk. Okay. Now students, let's study about Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. Milky Way. Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system. There are many such constellations of stars or galaxies in the universe. Now, look at this picture, students. There are many kinds of constellation of the star. This is our groups of stars. We call constellation of stars, group of stars. Okay, our Milky Way is one among the lakh of galaxies present in this Milky Way. Now students, let's learn what is the meaning of constellation. What is the meaning of constellations? What is the meaning of constellations? The group of stars is called constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that appears to form a pattern or picture like Orion, the Great Hunter, Leo, the Lion. Okay, now students, rest of the chapter we will learn our another video. Thank you so much students. Have a nice day.